I wish I could fly in the air someday. Oh?
Are you all right? Where are you from?
I'm okay, but I must admit I'm a bit old.
An old man? You're kidding. You're young. Look.
Is this me? How come I've become young again?
What's your name?
Leonardo da Vinci.
No way.
Where am I?
TOYAMA Prefectural University. I'm taking a tour of this campus.
A university? Is it true?
Oh, yes. It's where you can learn engineering.
TOYAMA Prefectural University, TPU, is different from most universities. As a public university focused on engineering, TPU boasts a near 100% employment rate every year for its graduating students. No other universities can boast such a brilliant employment rate, don't you think? The term engineering may sound a bit too difficult to the general public, but the fact is, you can't talk about modern lifestyles without engineering. To put it another way, engineering makes our modern lives happy and comfortable. TPU is special because it's where you can learn engineering from the basics to advanced applications that enable such happiness. TOYAMA Prefectural University is located in Imizu City in central Toyama Prefecture. The campus is on the southern side of Kosugi Station, the second stop from Toyama Station on the Ainokaze-Toyama Railways. Toyama Station is on the Hokuriku Shinkansen line. TPU offers a superb academic environment so that students can learn the latest in technology.
僕はこの大学が就職に強いということを聞き、県外から入学しました。
県内だけでなく、県外から同じ分野に興味を持つ友達と一緒に勉強できることがすごく楽しいです。
僕がこの学校に入学した理由は少人数制で一人一人の学生が先生に手厚く指導を受けれるからです。
They said it. Everyone is highly motivated. TOYAMA Prefectural University is the first public university dedicated to engineering on the Japan seacoast and comprises undergraduate departments and a graduate school as shown here. TPU powerfully supports its students all the way from admission through to graduation. The education at TPU is designed to develop students' abilities greatly through 4 years that consist of liberal arts education, basic and advanced technical education, and graduate work. Classes are based on small groups with a focus on practical skills and training. Stress is also given to fostering universal human skills, allowing students to learn from their own case studies in failure as well as success. It's really encouraging. These are not the only advantages of TPU. You may have heard of the Exploratory Research for Advanced Technology, ERATO. It's a major source of research funds which benefit a number of leading scientists, including Nobel Prize winners. At TPU, Professor Asano was chosen as an ERATO beneficiary. He spearheads the Asano Active Enzyme Molecule Project, a world-class research endeavor to make good use of enzymes for society. As a knowledge center for the development of the local community, TPU is also making university-wide efforts to address a variety of community-oriented themes. Have you grasped the main features of TOYAMA Prefectural University? Okay, let's now take a look at what each department is doing specifically at the lab level, a rare opportunity. Here we go. Why do things break? Materials and Mechanics Laboratory in the Department of Mechanical Systems Engineering investigates the mechanism of breakage through experiments using actual materials and by simulating the strength of parts only several microns in size.
物が壊れるって、当たり前のことではあるんですけど、不思議なことで、よくそのメカニズムは分かってないと。そういうのを材料力学の研究室で追求しています。そういう意味ではものづくりに貢献できる実験とシミュレーションが行えているんじゃないかなというふうに思っております。
In other words, understanding the mechanism of breakage is the shortcut to creating break-proof things. we can proudly say that learning in our Department of Mechanical Systems Engineering is directly linked to manufacturing of the future. Imagine robots have become ubiquitous to our daily lives. Don't you think that would be convenient? Intelligent robot and vehicle control systems are the fields of study at our Department of Intelligent Systems Design Engineering.
富山県立大学の知能デザイン工学科というところでは、機械と電子と情報という異なる分野を組み合わせて新しい機能を実現していきたいということを、教育方針としています。ロボットの開発というのはまさに機械と電子と情報すべてのことを知った上で作るとより良いものが作れるようになっていくと。
A future society where we humans coexist with robots appears just around the corner. It may be up to no one else but those who have studied at this Department of Intelligent Systems Design Engineering. What do you think? Isn't it exciting? TPU also engages in research related to space development. The lab at the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering develops a rocket-borne radio wave receiver to promote effective use of radio waves in space.
宇宙で見えない電波をまず見えるようにするということと、あとは宇宙の中で電解というものがあって、それをアンテナ使って受信して電解の動きがどうなっているか、それを見た上で宇宙の中の可電粒子ですね、それがどのように動いているかっていうのを調べていると。あとその宇宙でやった受信機の技術を応用して地上で人に役立てるようなものを作っていくということを今主にやっています。
The things you make at TPU will set out on a journey into space? From just here in Toyama? Just the thought of it is exciting, isn't it? As you may know, microorganisms are less than 1 micrometer in size. But despite their size, microorganisms have almost unlimited possibilities. The lab at the Department of Biotechnology is focused on research to make good use of microorganisms for medical and other related fields.
自然界には我々が知らないことというのがまだまだ隠されています。例えば身近なところでは我々が医薬品として使っているペニシリンというのは、これは青カビが作る物質ですね。そういったことで私たちが今研究している微生物の中から世の中の役に立つような成分、そういったものを生み出していきたいと思って研究しています。
TOYAMA Prefecture has a rare topographic feature, a 4,000-meter difference in elevation between the top of the Tateyama Range and the bottom of Toyama Bay. This topography offers superb habitats for microorganisms, creating opportunities for medicines unique to Toyama. Japan is a country susceptible to natural disasters. TPU's Department of Environmental and Civil Engineering conducts fieldwork devoted to analysis of hydrological and meteorological data to prepare against heavy rainfall disasters caused by the recent extreme climatic event.
水の動き、それから川の中のその土砂とか石の動きっていうのはまだまだ未知数なんですね。そういったことを精度よく計測する技術の開発とかっていうのは本当にノーベル賞をですね取れるぐらいの実は分野の一つでもあるので、それが実際に私たちのその社会にですね貢献できるという工学的なですね意味合いもものすごく大きくあるんです。
The lab researches to prepare against natural disasters of a once-a-century scale. Winning a Nobel Prize may not be altogether a dream if you take advantage of what you learn at the Department of Environmental and Civil Engineering. In addition, TPU plans to open the Department of Pharmaceutical Engineering in April 2017, taking full advantage of Toyama's rich traditions as the home of pharmaceuticals. The department will offer education on the research into pharmaceutical production and development. Furthermore, TPU will launch the Faculty of Nursing in April 2019. You can expect even more developments to make TPU more attractive. Now we'd like to introduce the campus life at TPU. Masakazu Ankyu, a student of the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, looks up at the bulletin board to check his schedule for the day. This is his daily routine as a college student, unlike his high school days. You can see Masakazu attending a lecture on electromagnetism. Everyone in the class is serious, knowing that they can't advance to the next stage unless they study hard to grasp the basics. Shown here is Saaya Takai, a Department of Intelligence Systems Design engineering student. Studying industrial mathematics, she is one of those engineering-minded young women much talked about of late. After his morning classes are over, Masakazu goes to the cafeteria for lunch together with his classmates. Saaya also enjoys lunch with her friends. In the afternoon, Masakazu attends a seminar. The seminar is a venue where member students exchange their views on a certain theme, which is quite different from high school classwork. After finishing the day's lectures, Saaya exercises by taking part in the Kendo Club. Maybe she knows the proverb, a sound mind in a sound body. Everything here in the 21st century is so advanced, impressive.
Oh, look! Here's a Da Vinci corner.
Huh? Just happens to be my name.
Wow, what a genius he was.
Oh, no, don't flatter me. Make me blush.
Oh, you are Da Vinci. I see.
Huh? What's this?
It says TPU is going to celebrate Da Vinci Festival in summer.
A festival without my permission? But a festival means I can drink lots of wine and see many pretty girls.
What a thing to say.
The Da Vinci Festival is a major event highlighting the summer at TPU campus. It's a participatory event where students and children from the local community get together to experience the joy of making things and the excitement of science. The day is when TPU students turn into teachers. The fact is that teaching children motivates the students to make new discoveries. To be sure, both the students and children look fresh and happy. Featured in tandem with the Da Vinci Festival is an open campus. Participating high school students can experience some of campus life, attend simulated lectures, and visit interesting labs. TPU has an open, global atmosphere. Many overseas students can be found on the campus.
私の研究テーマが軟作剤に関する MQL 加工に関する研究をやっています。この県立大学が学生の自分の考えがすごく大事にしてます。すごく勉強することも好きになります。
Ample opportunities for learning overseas are also available. For example, you can study in China through a student exchange program with Shenyang University of Chemical Technology, or participate in an English training course at Portland State University, Oregon, USA. So far, we have seen main features of TPU, but here's another key point of TPU you shouldn't miss. The point is, the employment rate for our graduating students ranks among the top in Japan. It's really outstanding. The secrets behind this achievement are the Career Center that provides students with career guidance and expertly simulated job interviews, lectures that are given in an employment-conscious manner, while professors in charge give to-the-point guidance for employment, and the supply of corporate information and attentive counseling. Support is given to suit each student's individuality and choice of career. Yes, learning at TOYAMA Prefectural University is directly linked to the real world. In short, TPU is a university that strongly supports and develops the future of its students. TOYAMA Prefectural University also has a graduate school for more advanced studies.
微生物を使って地盤を固めて液状化を防ぐという試験をやってます。今後もし自分の研究によって実用化されれば社会の役に立てる研究だと思ってます。
Here, let's listen to a TPU graduate now active in the business world who is making good use of what she learned at TPU.
今は、お薬に入っている有効成分が、100% 全部入っているかどうかを試験するお仕事をしてます。自分が大学で学んできた力を活かせている職場にいるので、それはとても良かったなと思います。
Next, let's listen to what Human Resources Department officials of business have to say about their impressions of TPU graduates they have recruited.
富山県立大学の学生の方々いっぱい弊社にも入っているわけですけれど、物事を進めていく力っていうのは他の大学の方と比べても大変特徴がある。それとあと目的意識という意味ではものすごい高い。この会社に入って何をやってどういうふうに貢献していくのかといったところの意識を持った人が多いのかなという印象ですね。
情報系の知識を持った上で入社されてくる方が多いので、当社としては即戦力という印象を持っています。入社された後も技術を追求しながらお客様とのコミュニケーションスキルなどを身につけていかれますので、すごく優秀な技術者になっていかれる印象があります。
TOYAMA Prefectural University is also aggressive in pursuing industry-academia collaboration. A fine example is joint research with Toyama-based Otani Steel Corporation. The research theme is to recycle iron scraps by turning them into high-quality bars to be used in reinforcing new structures. It's a type of research that meets the demands of our recycling-based society. Don't you think it's nothing less than the power of engineering?
21st century universities are so advanced and impressive.
I will join TPU and become an engineer myself.
That's great.
Huh? What's that strange whirlwind?
Oh, that one. I may be able to go back to my era. Go for it! Whoa! I've got an idea for a flying machine!
Da Vinci, your dream of flying has come true! Congratulations!
Thanks. I hope your own dreams will come true too!
Goodbye! I'll study hard for my dream!
If asked, what is the mindset most needed for engineers and others engaged in making things? Da Vinci will surely answer, it's curiosity. Indeed, curiosity is the very motive power for creativity. We hope you will turn today's impossibilities into the possibilities of tomorrow, making the most of what you learn at TOYAMA Prefectural University. Brace yourself and surprise the almighty genius of Leonardo da Vinci. Always cherish and live up to the engineering spirit.